So let me break this down for you. Debbie Ann Markland-Barrett, a 43-year-old postmistress, was just sitting in a bar last Thursday. This bar, by the way, is on the same compound as the post office where she works in Palmer's Cross, Clarendon. Out of nowhere, some men walk in and use a pew-pew, bang, bang, just like that. She's unalived right there on the spot. Didn't even make it to the hospital. Now, rewind 3 weeks before that. Her husband, who is a mechanic, also got unalived by men using a pew-pew. So Debbie Ann and her husband are both gone within 3 weeks. And you'd think that was the end of it, right? But nope, it wasn't. Fast forward 3 days after Debbie Ann was unalived, her brother Omar Cook, who was 33 and also a mechanic, was at his garage yesterday working on a car. Guess what? More men roll up with a pew-pew and bang-bang, unaliving him too. This is all happening in the same place. Palmer's Cross, Clarendon. This string of attacks targeting the same family in Clarendon is alarming. The fact that 3 family members, Debbie Ann Markland-Barrett, her husband, and her brother Omar Cook, have been killed in a short period suggests that these may not be random acts of violence, but rather part of a larger and more calculated series of events. Investigators will likely be looking into potential motives such as family disputes, business-related conflicts, or gang activity.